Firstly, the intelligent control panel design of this air compressor is user-friendly. Easy to operate, making your control more convenient. Furthermore, it has strong power and long-lasting use. With outstanding performance, it helps you easily meet various compressed air needs. In addition, our air compressor also adopts a multiple sound insulation design, allowing you to enjoy powerful motivation while you can also enjoy a peaceful and comfortable working environment. Meanwhile, twin screw compression technology ensures air compression efficiency, making it more efficient and energy efficient. Most importantly, we provide top-notch after-sales support to ensure you have no worries. Choosing me is choosing a quality life that is reassuring, worry-free, and reassuring.